Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the modern fashion choices of the one and only Janhvi Kapoor. From red carpets to casual outings, Janhvi never fails to impress with her chic and contemporary style. So, let's get started. She effortlessly combines comfort with trendiness, often spotted rocking oversized blazers paired with distressed denim and chunky sneakers. The actress adds her own flair with statement accessories like layered necklaces or bold sunglasses, proving that even casual looks can make a statement. She knows how to steal the spotlight in elegant yet daring outfits. Whether it's a glamorous gown with intricate detailing or a sleek pantsuit with a plunging neckline, Janhvi exudes confidence and sophistication. She keeps her followers engaged with a mix of fun, flirty, and edgy looks. From cute crop tops and high-waisted skirts to edgy leather jackets paired with statement boots, her style is always on point, inspiring her fans to experiment with their own fashion choices. The actress often rocks tailored power suits but adds a modern twist by opting for vibrant colors like electric blue or cherry red. She pairs them with crop tops or bralettes instead of traditional shirts for a youthful edge. The beauty has been spotted embracing the monochrome trend, wearing head-to-toe outfits in a single color palette. Whether it's an all-white ensemble or a sleek black outfit, she adds interest with texture and accessories. The actress effortlessly combines comfort and style by incorporating athleisure elements into her everyday looks. She pairs leggings or joggers with cropped hoodies or oversized sweatshirts, accessorizing with statement sneakers and trendy backpacks. She often choosing dresses or tops with sheer panels or overlays. The actress balances the risque nature of sheer clothing with sophisticated silhouettes and strategic layering. Whether it's oversized sunglasses, chunky jewelry, or a bold handbag, Janhvi knows how to elevate her outfits with statement accessories. She often opts for pieces that add a pop of color or a touch of glamour to her look. She incorporates prints into her wardrobe with confidence, often mixing and matching different patterns for a dynamic look. She experiments with asymmetrical hems, exaggerated sleeves, and unconventional shapes to keep her style fresh and fashion-forward. Even in her casual looks, Janhvi exudes effortless coolness. She often opts for distressed denim, graphic tees, and oversized jackets, adding her signature flair with quirky accessories or statement footwear. The actress pays homage to her Indian roots while giving traditional attire a modern twist. She often wears contemporary versions of saris or lehengas, experimenting with unconventional drapes, bold colors, and unexpected embellishments. These increasingly seen promoting sustainable fashion choices. She incorporates eco-friendly fabrics, supports ethical brands, and advocates for mindful consumption, making sustainability a key aspect of her modern fashion repertoire. Janhvi Kapoor is celebrated for her fusion ensembles that seamlessly blend traditional Indian elements with contemporary Western styles. She often opts for Indo-Western silhouettes like crop top and lehenga combinations, dhoti pants paired with modern blouses, or saris with unconventional drapes and modern accessories. Her fusion looks exude a sense of cultural pride while embracing the vibrancy of modern fashion trends. When it comes to red carpet events, the beauty dazzles in glamorous and sophisticated attire. She frequently chooses couture gowns featuring intricate beadwork, luxurious fabrics, and dramatic silhouettes. Janhvi effortlessly channels street-style chic in her off-duty looks. She's often spotted in oversized denim jackets, distressed jeans, and statement sneakers, exuding an urban cool vibe. Her street-style choices are characterized by their laid-back yet fashion-forward appeal, often incorporating trendy elements like bucket hats, fanny packs, and retro-inspired sunglasses. Janhvi Kapoor isn't just adventurous with her clothing choices. She also pushes boundaries with her makeup looks. From bold graphic eyeliner to unconventional lip colors, she experiments with different makeup trends, often opting for avant-garde looks that complement her overall style aesthetic. The actress effortlessly channels bohemian vibes in her casual ensembles. She often gravitates towards flowy maxi dresses, peasant blouses, and fringed accessories, embracing a laid-back and carefree aesthetic. Her boho-inspired looks are characterized by their earthy color palette, eclectic patterns, and free-spirited accessories like layered necklaces, stacked bracelets, and woven handbags. The beauty is an advocate for sustainable fashion practices and often promotes eco-friendly brands and initiatives. She incorporates sustainable fabrics like organic cotton, bamboo, and tencel into her wardrobe and advocates for ethical manufacturing processes and fair labor practices. The actress uses her platform to raise awareness about environmental issues within the fashion industry and encourages her followers to make mindful and eco-conscious fashion choices. The actress is vocal about body positivity and inclusivity in fashion. She celebrates diverse body types and advocates for representation and inclusivity within the industry. Janhvi uses her platform to challenge conventional beauty standards and promote self-love and acceptance, encouraging her followers to embrace their uniqueness and individuality. Her fashion choices reflect her versatility as a style icon. Whether she's gracing the red carpet, running errands, or attending promotional events, Janhvi effortlessly adapts her style to suit the occasion while staying true to her personal aesthetic. Her ability to seamlessly transition between different fashion personas, from glamorous diva to laid-back trendsetter, makes her a dynamic and influential figure in the world of modern fashion. Janhvi Kapoor isn't one to shy away from bold prints and eye-catching patterns. Whether it's floral motifs, geometric designs, or abstract art-inspired prints, she embraces them with confidence and flair. The actress effortlessly incorporates printed pieces into her wardrobe, from statement blazers to flowing skirts, adding a playful and dynamic element to her overall look. She often mixes and matches different prints, showcasing her fearless approach to fashion and her ability to create visually captivating ensembles. The actress understands the power of a statement outerwear piece in elevating an outfit. She's often seen layering her looks with standout coats, jackets, and blazers that add an extra dimension of style and sophistication. Whether it's a vibrant fox fur coat, a tailored leather jacket, or an oversized trench coat, Janhvi uses outerwear to make a bold fashion statement while staying warm and cozy during colder months. Her outerwear choices reflect her keen eye for detail and her commitment to making every aspect of her outfit count. Her accessory game is nothing short of eclectic and diverse. She's known for her love of statement accessories that add personality and flair to her ensembles. From oversized sunglasses and chunky jewelry to quirky handbags and embellished belts, Janhvi isn't afraid to have fun with her accessories and use them to express her individual style. Her ability to mix and match different accessories with confidence and creativity further showcases her fashion-forward sensibilities and keen eye for detail. Even in her most casual looks, the actress exudes an air of effortless elegance. She effortlessly combines comfort and style, often opting for relaxed yet polished pieces that transition seamlessly from day to night. Her casual wardrobe staples include tailored blazers paired with jeans, cozy knit sweaters styled with midi skirts, and classic white sneakers worn with flowy dresses. Her laid-back yet refined approach to casual dressing epitomizes modern sophistication and timeless chic. Janhvi Kapoor isn't afraid to experiment with color and often incorporates vibrant hues into her wardrobe. From bold primary colors to rich jewel tones and soft pastels, she embraces a dynamic and diverse color palette that reflects her playful and adventurous spirit. Janhvi uses color to make a statement and inject personality into her outfits, whether it's through a monochromatic ensemble or a color block look. Her fearless approach to color inspires others to step out of their comfort zones and embrace the joy of dressing with confidence. The actress effortlessly embodies glamour in her fashion choices, striking the perfect balance between sophistication and modernity. Whether she's attending high-profile events or making a casual appearance, Janhvi knows how to command attention with her impeccable sense of style and poise. She often gravitates towards sleek silhouettes, luxurious fabrics, and understated embellishments that exude timeless elegance and understated allure. Her innate sense of glamour and refinement sets her apart as a true fashion icon in the contemporary landscape. So there you have it, Janhvi Kapoor's modern fashion choices are a perfect blend of sophistication, trendiness, and confidence. Which look of hers is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.